The Igbo Youth Leaders and Stakeholders Assembly has held its 2026 convention focused on regional development and security. Awka reports that the convention, which issued a communique at the end, was held in Awka, the Anambra State capital.
The convention, attended by youth leaders from the 7 Igbo-speaking states, was convened to assess federal government projects and security measures in the region. The highlight of the meeting was the adoption of the communique.
Say aye. Aye. Those against the communique should say me. The ayes have it.
The communique, read by the convener Chukwuma Okpala Ezeku, commended President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for the establishment of the Southeast Development Commission and called for probity to ensure public trust towards the attainment of the core mandates of the commission, which was signed into law in 2024.
Mr. President, for the infrastructure attention in Igbo, especially in the area of road construction. However, we humbly request that Mr. President includes more Igbo youths in his appointments into various parastatals and agencies of government. This will ensure adequate representation of Igbo youths whose talents, ideas, and entrepreneurial drive are vital to regional and national development.
Mandates include rehabilitation of roads, bridges, schools, hospitals, and tackling ecological problems in the region.
For the removal of Mr. Mark Okoye Jr. as the MD cum CEO of the Southeast Development Commission is not in the best interest of Igbo at this time, given the strategic importance of the commission, heavily led by a youth constituent.
Security, the communique noted improved coordination between security agencies and local vigilante groups across the eastern states, while commending the federal government and the state governors in tackling security in the region.
However, demand that more commitments should be put in to completely overcome this challenge, because the development of Igbo is premised on guaranteed security and the safety of the lives and property of our people. Therefore, we, the leadership of Igbo youths worldwide, offer to collaborate with our governors and the federal government with a view to stamp out insecurity in our land.
For the Igbo youth leaders, the communique is both a commendation and a call to action to ensure infrastructural development in the region and job opportunities for the teeming youths in the southeast. In Awka, Onome, Awka, NTA News.